Yeah, man, I don't know, so I really see what Shana big up for sick of pure music. You see it, real bad artist. Put foot a road. Ever clean, ever neat. Out the road with G.
Every bomb book like English, I know man, you know.
Dirty bad mind, what me do you so? Be a negative, you just a carry.
English
Some
there,
of
you
them
know.
sister go up to him, he that and said I don't, you know.
Yes, I'm the English.
Me say all English, brother.
I'm telling you, whole of Mary family, them
All Jamaican English who go look on Big Ben.
All of Mary family, mad.
All of them mad.
Yes, look at them, Mary. Mary said, a trooper for Mary said, a
Yeah,
trooper.
man, all of them mad.
Mother's blood clot. I'm say, Big Ben, man.
Big Ben mad them.
So Big Ben hour.
Now 1 o'clock
Big clock in our town.
in England.
You fucking English, man.
Every English have to take their
You
medication.
don't have
Man.
a blood clot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You heard that she should take medication. Every bomb clot English, I know, man, you know.
Are you mad, Papa? You can't see he's sick.
Sick or mad them mad.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
Which must be in them brain. And them brain sick, man.
Yeah, man.
That's trick.
The,
I want to check out every true, man.
the ice, man.
I worse Corona now. Make it worse. Double
I
plan
tell
them.
you, and some of them can't get to come out now like one time, so them worse and mad than them house now, you know. Blood clot, you man, and drink rum and that, you know.
Here I am.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, pan the rock.
But one thing, I'm real loyal fans them, you know. Yeah, man, I'm real loyal fans them, man. We don't wait. Then say we
Them
don't
send them
wait.
response to
You
you.
know, mad man.
I want to
Yeah,
tell you,
man.
man, them, if they not see with them mad Mora. Yeah, and if they not see with them mad Mora, man.
Yeah.
Someone say big up all of my loyal fans them in England, you see it?
Dirty Flossy.
When nobody look pan Big Ben too much up the door.
And the boy Flossy mad, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, yes, he say look like he's mad for
They
sure.
go to get triple one. You look on Big Ben more than one time.
Yeah, we not hear from him.
No, sir. You look on Big Ben more than one time, the dirty Flossy, you know.
We look for him and go back and
Right
tell him
now,
that
now,
he
Steve,
get
right
back.
now, now, Steve, now, you're not in front of me, you're one team now.
Get
Mad
to the
David
time.
said him out back, you know. Yo, boy, me I tell a man,
I'll tell you
man.
that, you know, sir. I'm saying, I see a couple of them come back, man, I'll tell you that. Steering
Mad,
load
mad.
man. Well, I'm a friend Flossy. Long time, you know, you're nothing from him, and him just dash you, so, you know. They go feed that till, you know. Yeah, man.
A big one too.
They go feed that, man.
That's trouble with that.
I must find out for that again, no.
With the
Most
most
have
full of
found out
life.
for that again. I'm going to tell you, say, I'm tell you something, man. Stop the coffee eat that, my youth. Party day everywhere.
Yes.
Nobody not left road. And them are revenge this.
They end up on revenge.
I mean, them are revenge that's that lucky now, them lucky man, too COVID, man. Them kind of big man free up this until them, so that full time now, you can't go out there, you know. And that them want here.
We black.
Everywhere,
But you
street
can't
and
go out there
corner.
without the vaccine.
Street
though.
and corner. But when you free up a vaccine and run,
Yeah.
I mean, that time everybody not branded already. Can't go nowhere now again.
Bug out.
Everybody bug now.
A good style.
To fight this, you know.
Yeah.
You can't wait for it still, you know. I want my vaccine still, you know.
You want to pay one?
Yeah, man, I want my vaccine.
You want to move road?
Yeah. I want to legal if you do what I want to do and go anywhere I want to go to.
So, baby, I want to film one too.
Yeah, man, because we told it don't make no sense. I'm not alien, yeah. God and grow here, no. I'm not
Yes.
alien. So I'm going to need my vaccine. Until the government say run me, I run with it. Make them kill me then.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that a lie?
That's trouble. Eh?
No, not trouble. Me not make nothing for myself. And them make it give me. Oh. Until them give me, I take it.
Yes.
If I have something for mad me, make it mad me. Yeah. And them give me it.
So what vaccine all about? Just corona?
Yeah, if it prevent you from have corona.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
what about the effect we are going to get off of it?
Well, then look at side effect and something you can't run around. Look how much medication you take already. You pre what the side effect already? Make it off of it?
Yeah.
No, we not pre that. And every medication have a side effect. Understand what I mean, God?
Yeah.
So taking a little one vaccine, that's not nothing wrong, man. Can't run the side effect. It now cripple now,
Yeah.
yeah. Doing strokes, down doing nothing. You see what I say? You have to take it.
I will take it.
Well, so not take it first though, you know.
Then we not gonna see people will take it before we.
Yeah.
There must be people take it before we don't.
I see reaction.
I see the reaction we give. We black already, so we now get the blacker. We now get white.
Probably Becky get brown now.
We can't get brown.
Why?
As for me not bleach.
No, the vaccine I'm gonna make you get brown now, man.
I'm not bleaching pill them give it.
I'm not bleaching pill, but there's something where it are going on your body.
Well, would I rather brown more than drop flesh, you know?
Yes.
The brown is still alive. But when time we drop flesh, we just drop flesh.
Yes.
Brother. We want it.
We'll take it as whole team. I'll go get it.
We have to brand it. Me no alien here. I try to tell them. So anything where the government requests for me I go take it.
Right.
Yes, I'm in a alien here.
No.
The government take you already?
They won't take it too. And we are government, you know.
They must get it already, man.
And we are government. They are going minister.
Yeah, we are government.
And we are government. The citizens of the country.
It. Government don't get it.
The minister they not get it give to we yet. But as well as them get it, them go and take it to you know.
The government they don't get it. Minister, they don't give it to it.
Just like how we have TR and ID and them something. We have to have that too. When we have that, everything we have enough, we have that you know.
That's why everything now going on this.
Everything they right already.
You know, like, there's a new idea issue out now in December. Yeah.
Wouldn't mind come here.
You only 12 or something like that.
Them give me a receipt long time. I go apply for my new ID you know. I don't get it you know. And the receipt I put on you know.
Put on John.
Long time I go for it. And I know COVID-19 come stop everything. But at 2021 now, so let me see now.
Yeah, so December yeah, we are getting effective.
Right now, I want to have it all and broke it up.
And we have to go.
Because some place go get some people, they can't have no information, I know, can't broke and all, you know, but them still have to take it. Understand what I mean? Because it's not my fault, you know, and the government say ready. I agree, say it outdated, you know, but I know me make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't go jump over account, I have to take out the new one and them stuff for me forget. I have to wait for it. Yeah. So I have to run the whole one side wait till the new one I found. So nobody can even turn me down with it, you know. Anyway, I'm going to if I pop it out that people face, as old as it is, and me make it.
And a half.
And when a piece like come off, you know, it broke, you know.
Yeah.
But that piece hang on and still can't hint it up, so identify it. Them can't stand on me. Them can't stand on me, no trouble me. And then hurry up and give me the new one and I forget.
Sure, man.
A long time I do the process to get it done and I can't get it. You have to wait. And you have to tell
The
woman.
COVID slow down everything.
Everything, the whole world them slow down. The world them slow down. That woman yeah. I want girl, you know, I'm mad girl this, you know.
Well, vampire.
I suck blood hard.
I'm mad girl, you know.
That blood way suck way already.
Lick everybody foot off the ground, you know.
I tell you, man.
The coffee roll foot off the ground.
Now with crime too, man.
So all them people where them stand out from the port, you know. Them gonna do COVID, them gonna do them quarantine. For them got them here done. Afi, because them can't just send them out, so nobody can just go for them. So do them 14 there one place, you know. So them are foreigner too.
Then there they are.
Which yard? Them have my government yard. Them not no yard there.
Yes.
Government yard them have. You don't have no yard here right now. You must mad man. Which the port you have yard there? And then go France a little bit. Nowhere. People place them come now. Not tell you.
So them people now have no way.
Them people not them. They have nowhere. The people if go for them, they can't find them yard.
What you mean?
Find them yard. They know nowhere.
So all of them man they did a long time.
Yes, yes. True that now some of them have to stay up there because they have family there. When they have come and left, them couldn't send them down, let them stay there. Take care of them family.
That good.
Understand what I mean? But what about the one that went on the body there? Just send them out them yard. When still not nowhere. Because if them come at the airport right now, the body not go for them to carry them out them yard. They don't know where to go. No, they don't know where to go. But government will carry them home.
If we would change up
They want to change their pan, they don't know where
Back
you
then they come here.
They don't even know nobody.
25, 35
years
years,
enough
they are
for that
prison,
thing,
yeah.
and them still send them home now. Come to who? And who have to go take care
Now
of them?
you
I wish part they live a good highway, there's a stoplight. You know.
them. I will heap of them see come and we have to take care of them, you know.
That's true, man.
Government.
Fear people them so
No,
come.
no, me not have no more
No
blood
more now,
clot
come here.
deported people. When me I get so much deported people, me
So
what?
my family, my
It's
family,
alright.
what's up?
Me I what? Hey.
It's alright.
Me have 5 already and what 2 of them
Two
dead.
of them dead left 3.
Yeah.
I don't want no more for
You
dead. I mean,
still
I
have
want
more
Come
to
here.
come same way.
From where? From where?
Now England and them play.
Not my people them. Not my people them.
But you have to go take
Never
care of
friend.
them.
Not me.
I bet.
Prime Minister.
You have to take care of them too. I bet them come beg you something and you have to give them.
Give them words of comfort.
It's alright, cat man. It's
To
alright.
make money, yeah.
Me not know if you imply them. Me on the side
Tell
now.
them how to make money, yeah.
Me say I bet if them come here now and say, boy general, me I beg you 100 or me I... Quick papi, oh quick give them.
100.
Cat have one farmer country, then
Me
can go
say
work
I
for
take
it.
care of
I
them.
work contract.
Up by banana walk there. Yeah, we can set them up there.
Honest cat. Chat
You
one
can
work
box
on-
banana.
one work
Tell
on-
them no, them can box banana.
That's what I work on.
And they can't sleep banana.
Alright.
And the boys can't climb on any tree there, you know.
A little more up here.
Alright, so there.
Take down the road, yeah.
See there.